Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Vivo V29 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Microsoft Edge and click search and then click install. Now you can click open. And now you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click Not Now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click Not Now. Now you have to confirm your settings, private settings. And here you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.